So here are our Feijoa trees. The other day, well, I'd been suspecting the pukeko as the culprits for eating my Feijoas, but yesterday morning I caught 2 pheasants munching on my Feijoa. Now I've got to find a way to keep them out. This feels good. These are so good. Art of Tahiti, c'est dommage, on n'a pas chez vous. So this variety is fruiting now, and then when that one finishes, and this one comes into fruit. There's a few flowers in there. Yep, not a whole lot of action. And then here are my guavas, tuava, tropical guava. It should be ready by October, I think.